Hello, today we're going to be playing a League of Legends. What do I build? Oh no, he's an ADC, I'm so dumb. We have the red side today. Ooh. Ooh. Alright. Justin, he probably doesn't know what he's doing. Probably does not know what he's doing. Poke. I was trying to get Warwick. Oh, I'm bleeding out. Oh my, that's cool. Justin Kagama doesn't die right away, he bleeds out.
No, that's his passive.
That's pretty cool because then you could finish the other person off.
Yeah, but you have a cooldown on that. It's not always gonna happen. Hope you know that.
Well. Come on, come on, come on. Nice, 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 nice. Now I gotta get out of here. Wow, Justin. I do not know how to use Kagama. Nice.
Quadra.
Go, 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 Justin. Oh, go, go, go!
Yeah.
Nice, nice. Go, get out of here. Oh, I'm dead. Oh, I'm dead.
Holy shit, I'm going ham.
Nice.
I have 9 kills already.
Dang, Tristana. I remember when I used to use her so much. I got my ult. I don't know what my ult does though. Why'd I go so far in there? Oh, that's what it does. Wow, that's sick. You could just keep using his ult over and over again.
I know. But
Whoa.
it's more mana.
Huh?
It's more and more mana every time you use it.
I know.
Oh shit. I'm dead.
Dude, that's sick. How much mana does it take? Oh,
First was 40 and then 80.
yeah. I could just build. I mean, for him, you could just build mana now.
No. You gotta build magic 8. Well, you could either build AP or AD with them.
Interesting. You know the YouTuber Jericho?
Yeah. Call of Duty.
He doesn't only play Call of Duty, but
Yeah.
I like his chair because his mouse. He has a mouse pad on his chair.
The hell is weird.
That's like better. Come on, I can't get any kills. Oh my gosh, I can't get any kills. I got 1 kill. I don't know from where. Oh, Annie's ult, the OP stuff.
Get started, everybody. Everybody.
Come on, I want to get a kill. I need to get a kill. No. What is that? What did Bard just do? Watch this, bro. Alterally strike.
All over.
It only does 80 damage. That's not a lot. Come on, I need a kill.
If you use your E to slow them and then ult them, like if you E first, it'll be easier to ult them.
Oh, come on, come on, come on. Please kill them. Oh. Oh yes, I got Tristana. With my passive. GG. He already says GG. Are you the only one? Yeah, you're the only one alive. Oh my gosh.
Machi, you heard what I said, right?
What?
If you E first and then ult.
Yeah, I know. It'll be easier to ult, right?
Yeah. Slows them down a lot.
Come on. I dare you, Tristana. I dare you. I dare you. I dare Tristana. Oh, let's go. Let's go explode. Let's explode. Yes! His passive is so good.
I have 19 kills.
I have 3 kills and but I'm doing really bad. I wonder if I could like try to go positive. I know this video. I know what the name of this video should be. Exploding champions.
New place, Butcher's Bridge.
Oh boy. 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 Come on, I thought I was gonna get the kill for that. Let's go get out of there. Oh, well, you got the health. Oh my gosh, I need a kill. I need kills. Yes, explode. No. Damage them. No. Exploding champions. I don't know why I got that right there. What's this? What's that? I'm fast. Oh, whoa. That was sick. Oh no, I thought I got her. I thought that was me who got her. Bang. 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 Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on, get over here, come on. Get over here.
I don't understand why you do that.
Huh?
I don't understand why.
I don't know. I don't even know. Double kill. Double kill. What's this? I'll sell you. So. And then I'll get this. Just ready now. And then let's go. Oh! Oh wait! It's not going over there. That's funny. No way you're gonna kill me. You don't do damage. I got you. Double kill. Oh, come on. Nice. Alright, we won. Didn't we? No, we didn't. Huh! I really need some health. Watch out. You have your ult. Hmm? Wow. Justin, you believe in comebacks, right?
Sure.
I'm going 7 and 8.
Huh. I'm going 23 and 4.
Oh, well, that's not good. I'm just joking. That's amazing.
It's amazing.
His attack speed, Kog'Maw's attack speed is so, oh my gosh. It's
It's like
OP.
Call of Duty. You're gonna
No,
die.
no, no, no! Okay, you know what, this is what you get. This is what you get. That's what you get. That's what they get.
Nah.
I just took her out. She killed me, so I kill her. I don't know what to call this now. Do you believe in comebacks or exploding champions?
I'm enjoying a comeback.
Huh?
You're still going negative though.
I know. But if I go positive. Positive. Alright, I need to get some kills.
Help me.
I could get these two, I could get these two, I could get a double. Oh my god, dude, Justin. Come on. Let me get Warwick. No, I want Warwick. No! No! Oh my god, Justin, me and you are both solo. I have to crawl like all the way back to spawn. Right there. I got all the health. Around.
2 more kills to 30.
Oh my god.
That's like rocket science to you, I bet.
Oh yay! Jeez Louises. Huh, I got Tristana. Well no, I didn't get her, but I damaged her a lot. Get the kill. Get the kill. Yes, nice. Get the oh well, Tristana. Tristana.
I just stand and kill the big thing.
Yeah, she
Oh.
just pulled that comeback. She just pulled that comeback.
We just need to get the inhib. Come on.
I know, that's the funny part. Wow. Oh, I'm gonna be so my attack speed without shooting is 1.84. Imagine with shooting. Imagine him like he's like spitting so fast, man.
Don't die, Machi. Don't go too far.
I know.
Kill him.
I know, that's what I'm trying to do.
No, we're not doing it at all.
Oh wait.
Alter.
What's the point?
You have 23 assists.
I know, dude, that's so much.
29. Get Warwick. Ian and R. Ian R. Ian fucking R, Mach. Ian fucking R right there.
I'm scared I'm gonna die.
Well, if you ease them, you're not gonna die.
Yeah, I don't know about that. I don't know about that.
Your E down. Holy shit. Throw it
Man.
down.
Oh my, no, 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 no!
Holy fuck, man. Stop.
Bro, stop swearing, man.
Now you put down your E and you completely miss.
I know. Whoa.
Humorous wheel.
We just wrecked Tristana.
You
Nice.
get the there.
That was easy.
I'm gonna get this tower. Just get this tower.
I'm gonna die.
Yeah. No.
I'm gonna go get some health. No, you're not gonna get it. Oh boy. No. The best around. Oh my god.
R.
Are you serious? He took my kill?
Oh, you missed.
Warwick is dead.
Holy shit, let me try to beat my record of kills.
Oh my god, dude. Are you... Is this... Wow, dude, he just took my kill.
Are you negative?
Yeah, he just took my kill. My god. That's messed up.